Hey there, fashion friends. Thank you for clicking on today's episode. Yeah, I bet I got you hooked. What you don't know about personal uniforms. Ooh.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Okay, so if you have been watching my channel, you know that I take a minimalist approach to my wardrobe. But at the same end of the spectrum, I love fashion and I love style. This is why we are talking about the uniform, the personal uniform. So uniform actually means identical or consistent. So when I refer to uniform, I'm referring to the consistency aspect because I'm not saying that you should be wearing the exact same identical outfit every single day. I more mean a uniform as a formula for your wardrobe. So I'm gonna go through some of the benefits I think of having a personal style uniform. In between these different benefits, I'm going to just share an example of a uniform, of one specific uniform of one of my favorite Mott and Bow, and just kind of show you how you can take one outfit and just the different ways that you can style it to basically make it a completely different look. That you can then not only have similar silhouettes, but you can then also transform the same outfit as well into different looks. Okay, so the pieces that I'm gonna be using for today's styling purposes are all from Mott and Bow. Okay, so let's get into the reasons why a personal uniform can benefit you, whether you're a minimalist or not. Okay, so number one is less fuss, more style. So basically what I mean by this is when you have your pieces sorted out and when they all just sort of work together and you can just pull things together super easily and just have an outfit right away, and you don't really have to think about what you're putting together, you then have more time and more headspace to style that look, to really elevate it. Your clothes do not wear you, you wear your clothes. So even if it's just a simple little twist and tuck of a t-shirt, or maybe it's just a little roll of the sleeve, or maybe it's just a little effortless necklace added to like a basic t-shirt, whatever it is, you will have more room to think about it. Okay, number two is no more, I have nothing to wear. If I had $1 for every time I said that phrase, I'd probably have like $100. But so if you only choose pieces that you absolutely love, that are simplified enough that you know that they will work with everything in your wardrobe, that everything will work together, and that all these pieces create only silhouettes that you feel your ultimate best in. And if you do this, you will always have something to wear. Number three is creating your brand. Now that might sound extreme, but if we're being honest with ourselves, we all have a sort of brand that we are portraying. And that brand is just the way that we would like to project ourselves out into the world, the way that we would like the world to see us. Now, I don't mean that means that you have to be something other than you're not. I just mean that this is the way that you would like to express yourself. So when you have a uniform, it's a perfect clear-cut way to do that. As an example, let's say you live in New York City and you walk the same way to work every single day, and every single day you pass by the same exact guy. The guy wearing the impeccably tailored three-piece suit, paired with the elegant buttery Oxfords, a pocket watch dangling from his vest pocket, and a immaculately tied tie that perfectly matches the crisp pocket square just peeking out of his jacket pocket. And every day you catch yourself with your mouth open, staring as he walks by, wondering where he's off to and what business ass he is off to kick. When that man walks into a room, people will be waiting breathlessly, wondering what he's about to say. Why? Because his brand commands it. Number 4 is you will love your whole entire wardrobe. When you find a silhouette that you love to wear, that's all you really want to wear, let's be honest. And there's nothing wrong with that because you love what you're wearing, and you can easily, case in point with the examples I'm showing you here today, you can easily change up those outfits, those silhouettes with styling. So you could ultimately wear the same exact outfit if you really wanted to every single day and just style it differently, and people probably would never even notice because they'll be too busy staring at you and your exuding love and confidence for your clothes. Let's take 3-piece suit guy, for example. Maybe one day he tried on a pair of jeans and a t-shirt and thought, I look pretty good. Yeah, but I don't love how I look. I love how I look in the 3-piece suit. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear this same silhouette every single day. It might not be the exact same 3-piece suit every day, but it's gonna be the same silhouette every single day, maybe styled a little bit differently every day. That's his uniform. He feels good in it. When he comes to his wardrobe, he probably just sees suits. Probably makes him absolutely giddy. That's what it's all about. Okay, and number 5 is confidence. Okay, so not to bring 3-piece suit guy up again, but he's a good example, so I'm gonna keep it going. So let's say he decided to put on the jeans and t-shirt look that he doesn't necessarily feel as good in, that doesn't necessarily feel as confident in, that just doesn't necessarily feel himself in. Do you think that this guy's confidence would have punched you in the face like it did when he was wearing the 3-piece suit? Probably not. Because he didn't feel his best version of himself in that look. So it's the same for anybody else, whatever it may be. For me, for example, I feel amazing when I'm wearing jeans with a cool, effortless, slouchy t-shirt layered with a blazer. That is my power suit. When you stick to what you love and what makes you feel like the best version of yourself, that confidence will exude out into the world. Okay, there we have it, you guys. Those are 5 benefits of having your own personal style uniform. I don't think you need to be a minimalist to have this. I don't think you need to be any particular person to have this. This is just, I think, a great way, a great formula to have for your wardrobe. There we go. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Please comment below with your favorite uniform that you have in your closet. I'd love to hear from you guys. It's not just a place for you and I to have a conversation, but it's a place for you subscribers to have conversations as well. So with that, if you enjoyed today's episode, give me the thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. I hope everybody is staying safe, staying healthy. You have a beautiful, lovely rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.